Sometimes what you'll find is because these are just held on with clips, you can literally just grab hold of these and pull them off. So let's give that a try. Okay, so as you can see, it's much more firmly attached on my car. You might find, especially if you have a really new car, that just slid right off then. So it's always worth giving it a try. Maybe you'll be a bit stronger than me. And if that didn't work for you, if you've got a rubber mallet handy, you can get under there and you can give it a bit of encouragement. Now you'll probably notice that I haven't jacked up the car and put it on axle stands. And that's because I'm demonstrating you can do the exhaust tip removal without jacking the car up. But of course, if you do have that equipment available, if you lift it up and get it supported, then that will make things a lot easier for you. It's coming, it's just taking a bit of persuading. As you can see, these were the original BMW exhaust tips. You even have a part number in there, and you can see the clips down inside there that were holding it on. You can see them from the front a little bit as well. One thing to mention for when you're doing your exhaust tip install is that you might find little variations from model to model on these BMWs. So for example, on this M135i, the back of the exhaust tip is slanted, and also there's a slot in it, and that allows it to fit into place properly for this particular exhaust setup. So when you're buying your new exhaust tips, you're best searching for ones that are designed to go on this exact particular car. But let's say you do have your heart set on some aftermarket exhaust tips that aren't specifically made for this car. Well, here's the key things to check to make sure they're going to fit. The first one, of course, is the diameter of the permanent exhaust pipe that goes back to the back box. And here I've just got an inexpensive vernier caliper, but of course you could use a tape measure as well. And that's 60 millimeters in diameter. And the other one is the length of the exhaust tip. So obviously this is the shortest part, and that's about 105 millimeters on the shortest part. So I'm not actually replacing my BMW exhaust tips on this car. That's a job for another day. I was really here to do some measuring and checking. But regarding the installation, you guessed it, it's pretty simple when you're using this clip type. And as long as you bought the correct BMW exhaust tip as a replacement, and you line up the slot if your car's got one of these, then you just push it back into place. And you actually feel it go fully home against the back. So that's all done and dusted. Okay, so I hope that this video helped you do your BMW exhaust tip removal and then the installation without any problems. If you have any questions at all, go ahead and drop me a message in the comments section. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, please consider subscribing, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.